What's going on, guys? Miguel here, back with another video. And I know I haven't dropped a informative video in a while now, just because I've just been busy traveling and I've just been busy living, you know what I mean, just doing my own thing. But I really wanted to drop some value for you guys today, so I wanted to make a video on how to trade a breakout. You know, a lot of times people don't understand that there's accumulation in the market, and that's really when the market is just consolidating and going sideways. Sometimes people don't understand why it does that. There's a lot of reasons for it, but a lot of times it's just to accumulate orders and to get people in the market, so it can have like a breakout, you know what I mean, so it can end up having enough orders and then take off in the direction it wanted to do from the beginning. Usually you can tell you know, from the beginning that what it wants to do, right, what the market wants to do, but a lot of times it's all just a waiting game. So I'm going to show you guys an example of a good Forex breakout trade to take, based on, you know, just my illustrations. And then what I want to challenge you guys for, I want to challenge you guys to go find an example, okay, of a breakout trade, and you know, either send it to me through email, Facebook, whatever, Snapchat. All my information will be in the description below, and the person who gets the best example of a breakout trade will, you know, get something. I don't know, maybe a free one-on-one or something like that. I don't know, something cool that you know, will show that you actually put in work. So hopefully you guys, you know, are motivated with that. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So basically, when a breakout's based on accumulation, consolidation, all that good stuff, and a breakout can really happen in any market. So the market can literally just be going, for example, say the market's going up nicely, trending nicely, and then out of nowhere you literally just get accumulation. Like, there's nothing happening, the market's just going sideways, right? And then out of nowhere the market just takes off to the upside. Boom, big hit. Okay, a lot of times the market will come to the upside, and then after that it'll literally this is what you call a breakout, when the market ends up going and breaking out of a certain sideways movement like that. And you can always put trend lines as well to catch that breakout. So as you can see, the market was just accumulating orders, going sideways and just maintaining a small range until finally it had what it needed, and it was able to push to the side, you know, to the upside in this case, where it wanted to. Okay, the best way to to catch a breakout trade is really, it's, in my opinion, it's the patience game. Okay, so you can always catch them. There's two ways. You can either catch it based on identifying where it's been bouncing off of, like a trend line, where it's been bouncing multiple times. You can try and, you know, put a setup based on like a bounce off the trend line, stop loss under the previous trend line where it's been bouncing. Sometimes that's cool, but a lot of times, sometimes it'll throw a wick and probably take people out and confuse people. So what I like doing is I like waiting for the market to actually break out, push to the upside in this case, and then go ahead and bounce off that support. Okay, so usually it's going to push to the upside or downside, vice versa, right? This could be a downtrend movement as well. But usually it'll push aggressively out of that consolidation accumulation range, and then once that's done, the market will literally give you guys a solid opportunity, okay, to really buy the setup. It won't always be to the pip, right? It won't always, you know, like retest to the pip. Sometimes the setup will literally not give you to the exact retrace where you want it, to where it broke out. But a lot of times it will, just because usually I'm not sure if you guys know this, but if you don't, I may make a video on this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Support and resistance, you know, once support is broken, that becomes resistance. Once resistance is broken, that becomes support. So in this case, this was the previous resistance right here, this trend line. It broke out, and what did I just say? That resistance now becomes support. Boom, bounced right off of it and took off. So guys, that's the ideal way to take a breakout trade, guys. The most ideal, the safe way to take a breakout trade. Now, you don't want to just take the setup based on a bounce of the support, because it may push lower and test it, you know, with a steeper retrace. But you know, you want to add as many confirmations as possible. You want to make sure that, you know, you're using every tool you can to your advantage, to your in your arsenal. You know what I mean? The more confirmations, the better at the end of the day. And at the end of the day, you just want to get the best entry with the least risk and the best reward. So I hope this video really helped you guys. I know I haven't put anything out too informative lately, just because, like I said, I've been traveling, enjoying my life, and just doing my own thing. But if you guys like these videos, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. If you're not, share this video with a friend that may need this. And also, if you guys have any you know, ideas of what you'd like to see, maybe another type of analysis or tutorial video, let me know in the comments. If I have time, I'll definitely do that. But hope you guys are staying blessed. It's a new week, it's Monday, and stay blessed, guys. Peace. Every time